Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivosmart 3, and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this device. First, a quick disclaimer: if you want to get the most accurate results of your heart measurements, make sure to put your smartband on your wrist, secure it tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try to keep still, don't move around too much, to get the most accurate results. I'm just gonna put the finger on the sensor right here, but my results might be not too accurate because of this. Okay, so let's continue with the measurement. First, you will need to wake up the screen on your band, because by default it should be turned off. And to wake up the screen on your band, simply double tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, you can swipe downwards from the top of the screen to scroll through the list of widgets, and the first widget after the time should be the heart rate widget, as you can see, and it should be measuring the heart rate immediately because this band measures the heart rate in real time. So I'm gonna put my finger right here on the sensor, and after a couple of seconds we should get some value. Oh, here we have it. And this number will jump around because it's measuring the heart rate in real time, but once it's like stabilized, that should be your current heart rate. Around 65, 67, okay. And you can also tap on this widget right here to check the results from the last hour. You have highs and lows, and you can then tap on back right here to go back. And basically, that's how you measure the heart rate on this device. Once you're done, you can swipe up and down again to go back to time or other widgets. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.